Define political theory and discuss its distinct characteristics. इसमें marks है आपका 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. Answer. Political theory denotes a systematic knowledge of political phenomena. Political theory is a personal endeavor to understand and experience the present political reality and also to evolve a mechanism in order to transcend the present imperfect society, leading to perfection and a more just order. Thus includes a study of the evolution, nature, composition, need, and purpose of the governmental apparatus, and also an understanding of human perception and nature and its relationship with large community. Definition of political theory. Political theory is disciplined investigation of political problems. 7. A History of Political Theory 1973. Network of concepts and generalizations about political life involving ideas, assumptions, and statements about the nature, purpose, and key features of government, state, and society, and about the political capabilities of human beings. David Held Political Theory 1991. An explanation of what politics is all about, a general understanding of the political world, a frame of reference, Bluhan. Political theory by identifying the immediate and the potential problems of the political life of society is one of the most important weapons in our struggle for the advance of humanity. Brecht. A body of thought that seeks to evaluate, explain, and predict political phenomena as a subfield of political science. It is concerned with political ideas, values, and concepts, and the explanation or prediction of political behavior. Political Science Dictionary. Systematic reflection in form of logically consistent proposition on a class of political phenomenon. It is generally based on facts, observations, has explanatory and predictive capabilities, and involves generalizations and value judgment. Characteristics of political theories. Political theory is an intellectual and moral creation of man. Generally, it is the speculation of a single individual who is attempting to offer us a theoretical explanation of the political reality, that is, the phenomena of the state. Every theory, by its very nature, is an explanation built upon certain hypotheses which may be valid or not, and which are always open to criticism. So, what we find in political theory is a number of attempts made by thinkers from Plato onwards to unravel the mysteries of man's political life. They have given so many modes of explanations which may or may not convince us, but to which we cannot pass any final judgment. Political theory is largely an attempt to seek the truth as the thinker sees it, and it is usually expressed through a treatise such as Plato's Republic, Aristotle's Politics, Hobbes' Leviathan, or Rawls' A Theory of Justice. Secondly, political theory contains an explanation of man, society, and history. It proves the nature of man and society, how a society is made up and how it works, what are the important elements, what are the sources of conflict in the society, and how they can be resolved. Thirdly, political theory is discipline based. It means that though the phenomena which the theorist seeks to explain remains the same, that is, the state, the writer may be a philosopher, historian, economist, theologian, or a sociologist. Thus, we are confronted by a variety of political theories, yet distinguished by a discipline on which it is based. Fourthly, political theory not only comprehends and explains the social and political reality, but is also actively engaged in hastening the process of history. The task of political theory is not only to understand and explain, but also to devise ways and means to change the society. As Lasky put it, the task is not merely one of description of what it is, but also a prescription of what ought to be. Thus, political theory recommends agencies of action as well as means of reform, revolution, or conservation. It contains programs that embody both ends and means. Political theory plays a double role: to understand society and to suggest how to remove the imperfection. And lastly, political theory also includes political ideology. Ideology, in simple language, means a system of beliefs, values, and ideals of which people allow themselves to be governed. We find a number of ideologies in the modern world, such as liberalism, Marxism, socialism. It's all political theories from Plato to that reflect a distinct ideology of the writer. Political theory, in the form of political ideology, includes a system of political values, institutions, and practices which a society has adopted as its ideal. For example, all political theories adopted by Western Europe and America have been dominated by liberalism, and the theories accepted by China and erstwhile USSR were influenced by a particular brand of Marxism. Each brand of theory or ideology in this sense claims for itself the attributes of universality and compels others to accept it, leading to what is generally known as ideological conflicts. In short, political theory is associated with the explanation and evolution of the political phenomena, and this phenomena can be examined as a statement of ideas and ideals, as an agent of socio-economic change, and as an ideology.